So I got this cleaned up so it'll look good in a mall parking lot. That van needs a lift kit. Needs lift kits. Alright, today's topic is a lifted two-wheel drive van useless? Is it just to look cool in a mall parking lot, or could you actually do something with it? I'm in Hungry Valley right now, and we're gonna do the Roadrunner Trail. Okay, here we go, Roadrunner Trail, lifted two-wheel drive van. Some whoops here, so you can see some suspension action. It's always fun. Last time I was up here, I didn't have my GoPro set up, but this time we do. I should take the middle trail because I look too big for this one, so we'll take the middle. Deep right here. I can tell. There you go. Gotta get a nice angle view. Just enough departure angle. My poor skull. It's like the departure angle checkpoint. I'll re-glue it. You guys like the skull? I'm not sure if you guys are gonna see the Broncos that pass me right now, but they asked me if I was okay, and I said, we're good. I'm just getting the cool angle, and the guy started laughing. Okay, let's go. I have the map.
How are you gonna get around these guys?
I'll wait. They could fit in the little trail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think that's why it splits. That's what I like about this hobby. People wave. I think like when you're doing this, we all have the same idea. We want to get away from the city. So everyone who has this hobby, regardless of what rig you have, dirt bike, off-roading van, people just want to get away from the city, have a good time. Another thumbs up, see? That's what I like about this hobby. Hopefully no one's gonna go through here. It's one lane, right?
Yeah.
Oh well. I mean, we could see them. They're coming. If it's a side by side, they could go into the into the weeds. Yeah, they could go. Those things could go anywhere. Man, that guy was flying through that.
Yeah.
Trying to do jumps, that guy.
All kinds of stuff.
Yeah, all kinds of toys. Oh, it's a Dodge Crew. Nah, never mind. It's a Jeep there at Tacoma.
Oh, they give you.
People are having a good time today. Let's go through here real slow. Look at this. Take a mansion with you and take a garage with you, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's basically a mansion on wheels and a garage with all the toys.
Yeah.
All I want to do is tow my Geo Tracker out here or any desert, and I'm happy in my van. There you have it. A lifted two-wheel drive van on the same trails as dirt bikes and side-by-sides. I went off-roading that way. Gorman, Hungry Valley. A four-wheel drive van would be nice, but a 4x4 conversion for this van is $15,000 minimum, and that's just for parts, installing it yourself. I have $13,000 into this entire build. With the re-gear and rear locker, I'll be at about $15,000 for the whole van. Basically what just the 4x4 conversion would cost. So it's not as good off-road as dedicated off-road vehicles like Jeep Wranglers, but the compromise is I have a house on wheels with me no matter where I go. So if you have a full-size van and you're thinking about lifting it, putting bigger tires and going off-roading, here you go. This is what a full-size van lifted two-wheel drive is capable of. And if you're on the fence of which overlanding vehicle you want, consider a van. Like I said, $13,000 into this entire build. No rooftop tent needed. I just pull into a truck stop or a rest area and I could sleep just walking in between my seats. No setup needed, just walk in between the seats and I'm in my sleeping area. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more lifted van content. I went off-roading in this open differential, so once I get a rear locker and re-gear, this will be even better. And of course, you guys are gonna get to see what this thing could do.